welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this set of candle holders using mostly items from Walmart and one item from Dollar General. Stay tuned and I will show you how to do it. Hey y'all, let us get started. So first off, what you're going to need, one of these plastic plates from Walmart. You're also going to need one of these 26-ounce tumblers, also from Walmart, and you're going to need 3 of these bowls. That came from Walmart as well. And all these things are relatively inexpensive, so this is going to be kind of cheap to put together. You're also going to need some spray paint. I'm using this Fusion all-in-one paint and primer in the color Metallic Dark Copper. This is from Krylon, and I got it at Walmart. I'm also going to be using this low odor E6000 and my hot glue gun and some glue sticks. Now look in the description box and I'll have a link to where you can get this and my favorite glue gun. So anyway, first off, what we're going to do is, let's do 2 of these bowls, just so that we can get them out of the way. Take the stickers off, because if you don't, somebody's going to come on here yelling at you about it. Why didn't you take this thing here out? Because I don't want to. I don't have to. Why are these bowls sticking together? I don't know. All right. Let's pull that off. Well, look at that. Look at that. He left half of his little behind. All right. I've got this green moss stuff all over the daggone place because I was working with it yesterday. And now it's everywhere. So let's try to get this stuff out of the way. So anyway, what we're going to do first with these 2 bowls, we're just going to glue them together, okay? So I'm going to take the lid off this E6000. I thought I put some Vaseline on that. When you take the lid off, if you take some Vaseline or chapstick or something like that and just put around the threads, it keeps the lid from sticking. It'll come off a lot easier next time. But I'm going to put some of this onto this bowl, like so. And I'm going to leave some space because I am going to put some hot glue on here. And that hot glue is going to give us a temporary hold while the E6000 is setting up. I did see somebody the other day on Instagram, they just put all the glue on top of each other. Don't do that, because you know what? That actually weakens the bond and it's not going to last very long. I don't know where people get these ideas. Now we're just going to stick the 2 bowls together. I think that's even. That looks even to me. There we go. All right. Those 2 bowls are now stuck together. And now we're just going to set that off to the side. Next up is our plate. Oh my goodness. Our plate with our bowl and our tumbler. Take that off. And we're going to take this off. Why are you not coming off? All right, go gadget nails. Help me take this off. Okay. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to, once again, use that glue. I'm going to put it around here and stick it down this way and then put the bowl on top. And then we're going to take it all outside and we're going to give it a few coats of this spray paint. Now, before you paint stuff like this, you really do kind of need to wipe it down with some rubbing alcohol. What that's going to do is it's going to clean it really well and wipe off, you know, like any of the oils that come out of your fingers. That just sounded gross, didn't it? Anyway, it's going to be good, okay? It'll help you. So let's just clean this off. It's amazing how that moss just gets every darn where, isn't it? All right. So I'm just trying to be careful with this. I don't want to put like a whole ton on here, because I'm trying to prevent it from oozing out everywhere. You know what I'm saying? It's probably going to ooze anyway, and that's okay. I'll just wipe it off. I will just wipe it off. There we go. All right, now I'm going to try to put that down. Is that in the center? Hold on, I'm going to flip it up. Okay, that looks good. That looks good. All right, I can see a little bit of it down here. But you know what? Let me get this glued on and then I will wipe that away with a paper towel. Make sure this is all clean. All right, so once again, let's see. I think this cup actually is going to fit inside of the bottom of the bowl. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put the glue on the actual cup. Instead of on the bottom of the bowl. That way I know it's going to come into contact with something. All right. And just put that there. Oh, it's going to run down the side, Amber. It's all right. I'll just wipe it away. Okay. Lean over here and see. If I have this centered, and that looks pretty good. I think that's pretty centered. Okay, so let me take this outside, and I'm going to spray paint all of it with this paint, and then we'll come back and see what else we're going to do with it. All right, so I believe the paint has pretty much dried, and whoops, I got a fuzzy. Oh, there is so much pollen and stuff outside. I mean, I had this under like my little painting tent, but still. But anyway, I was in Dollar General a while ago, and I came across these Sparkling Gems detail strips. How cute is that? How cute is that? So with these dark colors, I thought they would look really good with this. And I don't want to put a whole lot of something on this. So, you know, these are kind of small, and I thought they would do a good job. So what we're going to do is try to pick a color. Pick a color. You know what? I think I like this brownish color here. So I did screw up the paint on one little spot, so I'm going to kind of experiment back there just to see how well these stick. So if I have to pull it off and then I have to redo the paint, you know, it won't be any big deal because it'll be on the back. I like that. It's subtle, but you know, it still gives it, you know, a little something something. So I'm just going to take this and I'm going to go all the way around the top and the bottom of this. And then we will do the same thing on the bigger piece over here. Alrighty, so let's take a look at this. See, I had this put up here and also down here. Okay, so on this other one, I put it here, and then some right around here, and then some right around the bottom. All right, that looks pretty good. Pretty good. So anyway, I got these candles from Walmart. I don't even know why they put 3 wicks in here. You know, if they would use a proper size wick, you wouldn't need 3 in this container. But anyway, these are just plain cheapo candles from Walmart. And look here, they put this thing, remove dust cover before burning. Really? Do you need to tell people that? Because if you have to tell people that, then these people don't need to have a candle burning in their house. They don't need to be around open flame. Why? You know what? I don't get it, but it's okay. So what we're going to do is I'm going to be putting the candle in here, and I want to fill around it a little bit with something. So I got this potpourri from Walmart. Now you don't want this to come into contact with the flame, of course. I know how to burn candles. I'm going to go ahead and trim these wicks down. I have to trim it down before I burn it anyway. Let's trim this down. But I got 2 bags of this potpourri. I love this stuff. You know, they have all of these different pieces of this really pretty stuff in here. And it smells really good too. This is fresh cotton. Now I was trying to get a color that would go well with this. I may not necessarily like the fragrance, but oh goodness, now I gotta take this thing off. May not necessarily like the fragrance all that much, but you know, I think it's pretty. So what I'm going to do is I got 2 bags of this, and I want to put some around this candle here, maybe some of these smaller pieces here. Ah, it smells pretty good. You know what? It smells like laundry. It smells like you're doing laundry. So I love the smell of clean laundry. So I'm just going to take some of these harder pieces here and just fill in around that candle. And as for this one, why is there stuff on it? I don't know. Let's trim off the wicks here. Wow. All right, so I'm going to try to bring this in so that you can see what I'm doing up here, and you can also see down here at the bottom. Now, I like, you look in the stuff, so you have like the bigger pieces here that I think will be really cute to put down here. Oh, look at that flower. Pretty. Look, that looks like a piece of glue or something. Let's get that. Why are you even doing this? I don't know. Take that off. All right, so I know Dollar General carries this sometimes. Whenever my Dollar General gets it, it sells out so fast. You know, people just grab this stuff up. And how much was it? I think this was like $7 a bag at Walmart. But like I said, check Dollar General first. If you don't want to spend that much on this. So I'm just going to put the smaller pieces around the candle. Oh, look at that one. It's like a little flower pod. Seed pod. something. Now I did see some that had seashells, and that was really, really pretty. But anyway, I'm going to fill this around here, and I'm going to try to get some of these bigger pieces out and put them down here. So let me work on that for just a minute. All right, so let me move this. You see how I've got all of this placed in here? This is so pretty, and it smells so good. But now I've got it all over my hands. Now my hands smell good. But anyway, I have taken out the big pieces. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Taken out the bigger pieces, and then there was this and these, and you know, some of the leaves. So what I'm going to do now, and these doohickeys look like little haystacks. Anyway, what I'm going to do now is just kind of place the bigger pieces in among the smaller ones. But jewelry, paparazzi jewelry. They're only $5 each. I've got so much of this stuff. It's all over the place because it's addictive. But if you look in the description box, I will have a link that says paparazzi jewelry. You click on that and then click on a link that says shop. It will take you to all the pretties. I'm just going to kind of place... Y'all know I like things to be in odd numbers. So I wish I would have gotten... maybe more of this. I don't know. I might not put all of the big pieces on here. Just kind of put that there. But anyway, I'm just going to get these all arranged. Try to set them up so that they're cute. And then, I mean, y'all have already seen it at the beginning of the video, but I'm going to show it to you again at the end of the video. So, stick around and I will have a photo so that y'all can see the thing in its entirety. But if you would, please give this video a thumbs up. Oh, drop it. Click subscribe. Check me out on other forms of social media, the links to all of which will be in the description box down below. And I hope to see y'all next time. Bye.